Hello fun and learning student of class 10th. In previous videos we have discussed the topics of this chapter, sector of the Indian economy. We have seen the public sector, private sector, joint sector, PPP, organized sector and unorganized sector. This is all we have seen it. Now one important question that it is asked in many examination, that contribution of public sector in the economic development of India. We have studied the public sector where the ownership, management, these are all controlled by the government, either central government or by state government. Now what is the importance, contribution of this sector in the economic development of India? Critically examine it. That is, what have been the role of this sector. So following points highlights the contribution of public sector in the economic development of India. Public sector investment has been devoted to the development of infrastructure in the country, like transport and communication facilities, fuel and energy, construction of dams, basic heavy industry and providing irrigation facilities. Now in India, if you see that electricity is provided by the government company, LPG is provided by that is the household gas that comes in your home, is provided by the government companies. Petrol, diesel, all are provided by the government public sector companies. Infrastructure, road, railways, highways, airport, seaport, these are all maintained services provided by the public sector. So this has been the one of the important contribution in the economic development of the country. Number two, public sector investment in the infrastructure has paved the way for agriculture and industrial development in the country. Because of the investment that the public sector have done, that's why agriculture and industry sector have developed right from the from the 1947 when we got freedom. Number three, the public sector is also useful in controlling monopoly and concentration of economic power and achieving the goal of social justice. Because of this sector, they have a more humane approach towards the public about the discharging duty. That's why this has been useful. Number four, the expansion of public sector is also necessary to ensure balanced regional growth in the country. Now public sector, suppose a private sector company, your private sector company means only profit, but the public sector company does not see only profit. It focuses more on the balanced regional growth of all the states in India. Suppose any state which is backward, so public sector company provide the facility in that state also. If private sector company will only see the profit but not the public sector. So public sector, this is the one important factor in the contribution of development. So public sector, next is, you has also promoted India's export like Steel Authority of India, Coal Authority of India Limited. These are the big companies, Maharatna companies, Mini Ratna companies, Navratna companies in India. They have contributed very much in the development of our country. So this is the exam question that comes in examination, that contribution of the public sector in the development of country, critically examine it. So I think you have got it, what are the contribution of public sector. So with this chapter concludes. Thank you student, thank you very much.